Hello guys, in this video I will explain the coding part for the program the parade. Let's start. First I will include my header files and then let's see what we are given in the program. So we are given T and K. So let's see, we are given T, we are given N and K, and we are also given C. So I will create an array C which will have elements up to this number. So let me just paste it. Okay, and we are given C. So I will just let me take the input first. Now we need to find answer for our problem. Let's say our answer initially is 0 and we have set L equals to 0 and R equals to 1 10 raised to power 18, while L is less than equal to R. What we will do, we will find mid equals to L plus R upon 2, and if can of mid is true, then what we can do is we can set our answer to mid and L equals to mid plus 1. Else we can, what can we do, we can set R equals to mid minus. So when the search part is done, now we only have to implement our can function. So let's implement it. Bool can, we are given value x, and if x equals to 0 we can just return true, because x equals to 0 is always true. We don't have to set our answer to mid, we have to set our answer to mid into k, because there are k rows and in each row we put mid number of soldiers. So let's proceed. First of all, let's see. Let's say we have a previous variable pushed set to 0 and we have done variable which is set to 0. We also have an end variable which is set to 0. What are these three variables? Pre is the number of soldiers left of previous height, and done is the number of rows which are completely filled with soldiers, and end is the index at which of height we are currently at. So let's see now. What can we do is, so we can just iterate for all the rows for LLI equals to 1, I less than equal to PI plus plus, and if now, if previous is greater than, let me just make this variable as global so that we don't get into trouble. So if previous is greater than or equal to x, what can we do is, first of all, now how many times previous is there, so that we can put x soldiers in rows. That number would be equal to previous upon x. So these many rows can be filled with previous number of soldiers. So I will increase my I to I plus previous upon x. and I will decrease it by 1 because the loop will automatically increase I by 1. And how many rows have we completed by now? Done plus equal previous upon x. And what previous soldiers will be left after after filling these many rows? The number of soldiers will be left will be modulo x. Okay, now if done is greater than k, if done is greater than or equal to k, we just return true. Okay, now what? Now what we have to do is um, let's see if previous was less than x. What we have to do was we will not return true, we will just continue. It doesn't matter because in the last if done equal is greater than or equal to k, we just returns true, else we false. So what we are left with is how can we proceed if previous was less than x? If previous was less than x. So let me show you. Okay, let's say previous was the number of soldiers left from the previous height. We are on the current height. So while previous plus c of end is less than x, what we will do? We will set previous to c of end end equals to plus plus, and we also say end is less than end. Now if end equals to n, we just return false. Okay. Now if we use previous number of soldiers from the previous height, and we have to use total number x number of soldiers. So we have to use x minus previous number of soldiers from this height. Okay. So see, so we will set our previous to what? We will set our previous to c of int minus x minus previous. Okay. So these many previous soldiers will be left from current height, and we can increase our done by 1. Okay, and I think it's done. I think we have implemented our can function. Let me just check if there is any problem or not. So we have increased our we have set our previous value to this value, and we have increased our done variable. Also we have to increase our int variable because we have used this many soldiers and we have to proceed to the next height. Now I think it's done. Now let's test the test cases. Okay, let me just copy it. Now let me just check once more if I'm running into an infinite loop or not. So we are saying this, and we are increasing it, and also we are increasing it here also. Okay. Oh, and we forgot to print our answer. Okay. Now I think it's done. Okay. Let me just build this. and 1699. Okay, we are getting correct answer. Now we can submit this code. Okay, the parade. Okay, okay, we can see that we got our code accepted. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. And see you in the next video.